Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing of my Simply Gilded sub box, and it is the Park Avenue, which is an absolutely stunner. So let's get to it. First I want to show this. Good things come in pink packages, which is very true, and I love the Jasper the bear here. It's really nice. I love the chocolate brown. It's a very pretty box. So let's open this up and get all of the things out of the way and start this unboxing. Okay, so the first item is the menu card, as you call it, and just it details all of the things that there are in the sub box. So this is the August 2020 box. So I'm not going to go through all the items, but I like to say that this journaling card is absolutely beautiful, and if you put something here on this side and it's just a gift tag on the left side, I think this could be a very pretty decoration for your planner, or even as a thank you card. That would also work. The back is blank, so you might actually use this. So the first item I want to show from the box is this beautiful pen, and this box reminds me the August, I think it was 2019, the plaid kind of design. It reminds me a lot of that box. So it's just a gel pen, and the metal is rose gold, and it has the regular bow here on the top as per usual. The second item I want to show is this sticker book, and Irene always, well, not always, but she usually includes different items, and one of them is this sticker book. So it's just a normal size or smaller size of sticker book, and the metal is again rose gold. So you open up, you have this nice blush pink kind of inside, and here you have your sticker sheets or your album sheets, plastic sleeves, and here you have a little pocket. I use these to store die cuts and also vinyls or anything that is in a smaller scale. I don't store my stickers on these books because they would not contain my collection. I have quite a few, so I store mine in albums, but not this sort of album. Next item is the keychain, key fob, and it is a Jasper the bear. This card is, again, the backing of the product is absolutely beautiful. So you have the rose gold metal once more, and this is Jasper holding a heart, and you have the little Simply Gilded bow in pink here together with Jasper. Now I have a previous metal, rose gold metal Jasper from Irene, and I have to say that the rose gold doesn't hold very well. The metal doesn't hold very well throughout use. So just be mindful of that. If you're gonna use as your regular daily key fob, you will encounter a problem that it will go darker as time elapses. Then you have the sticky notes, and I have to say I am absolutely in love with these sticky notes. She did mention that some of them do have a problem with the centering of the line, which for me it's not a problem, but some people might be bothered with that. I cannot see any centering issues. Yes, I can. Hang on. Okay. So it's really not that much. But if you look at this page, you see where the line is, and then you go to the other one, it's closer to the edge. I think like this you can see better. So this is the, it's just slightly, it's not even perceptible, But Irene has a very good quality control and they saw that, so this is an oopsie item, sort of. But the design is absolutely beautiful. I love the sticky note. I think it's one of the best sticky note designs that she's done in a while. Her sticky notes are very hit and miss in my opinion, but that's maybe just me. The journaling card is Jasper the Bear, again the same design of the key fob, and it's just an A6 size journaling card. Next item, I'm gonna show the stickers, and the stickers are in rose gold with muted neutral colors, which I'm living for lately, so this is right up my alley. So you have the heart date dots, and some icons as well at the bottom. Here you have more numbers in the heart-shaped cut, and also more icons, but these are not foiled. Finally, you have the bow seals, who are absolutely stunning. I love these bow seals, and this is it is rose gold, but it's a chocolatey rose gold in my opinion. It's not like it's not on your face rose gold. It's not the copper kind of rose gold, which I really appreciate. This is the small sheet that comes with every sticker kit, and you have some deco, half boxes, checklists, and a big full box here at the bottom, which is stunning. Finally, your 2-sheet kit with all of the full boxes, washi strips or washi headers, some some icons and scripts or headers here at the side, and then you have your date covers, which is, again, they are beautiful, and you have some appointment labels as well as more deco and checklists here at the bottom. I think this is beautiful. I wish Irene would reformat a little bit more of her sticker kit. I do think that you don't need the flags. I don't need the flags. I don't need all of these. I would much rather have extra full boxes so I can use this for 2 weeks or so, and I really don't need this. This again could be another full box. But hey, that's just me. The next item I want to show is the journaling card. This is a B6 if I'm not mistaken. And it just has Jasper on one side and the design of the sticky note on the back with the bow in chocolate foil. This is kind of an oil slick foil. I'm not sure it's gonna capture on camera, but in real life it's chocolate, but it's also oil slick. Finally, we have the washi. The washi is coming now on this sort of plastic bag, which is reusable, so stop whining about it. There's only so much one a person can do. I subscribe for both the normal size subscription and I also have the add-on, so I always get extra washi. Ew. But these are the washi that come in a regular base. Oh, there's a lot of washi here. Okay, so this is the washi that comes in a regular base. The glare is just terrible, but there you go. So you have one 5mm with the heart, like the dual heart or whatever you want to call it. It has a line in the middle. This is a perforated task list washi, and I also wish she did just not all of these lines, not all of these phrases or words, because I don't use half of them, but the colors are beautiful. You have the city or the neighborhood kind of washi in pink and gold foil, rose gold foil, and I just think this is so busy, but it's beautiful. You have the plaid, which is very similar to last year's. Then you have the bow with the rose gold, and this is very similar to the Blush Baby collection. Finally, you have my nemesis. You have the, I think this is the, what's the name? Glitter Washi. Glitter wash that I absolutely hate. If it's not, the glitter on the foil itself is very chunky, but that's okay. But I think this is actually, let's open this up and see. I was gonna open things off camera because of the noise and how long I take to open anything. Yes, it is the terrible, horrible perforated washi, which not perforated, glitter washi, which I absolutely hate. But that being said, ooh, there you go. Oh, hang on, there's a cat here. So that is the design and the washi. But yeah, I don't like it. No, don't like it. Anyway, I think that they are so thick. Well, another one that goes to the stash pile. And finally, the add-on. So you have some perforated. No, they're not perforated. I don't think any of them is. But you have the scallops and you have this tiny little heart with bows design. I'll open for you guys and we'll just do a quick swatch. So let me open this one. God, I'm terrible at this, like really bad. Right, that is the washi, and it's really, really pretty. Really pretty, and it's so smooth. I love how smooth her washi is. So that's the 10 and the 15 millimeters. I'll open this one because I love my other one, even though I don't use it a lot. I really should use my washi, all of my washi more, but there's only so much a person can use in a day. And if you see me throwing my things, my package that way, it's because my cat loves to just chew on the washi package. She hears me opening a washi when I'm doing my videos, my hauls, and she just comes straight running to the table because she really wants the washi plastic. Okay, so this is the plaid, and this one is absolutely beautiful. I don't think the other one was foiled. I can't remember, but I love this. I really love this design. It's very, very nice. It is beautiful. Then you have the neighborhood. Excuse me. And let me unroll this one. There we go. What do you think? I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure. I mean, it's really pretty, but it's also very bright. Very, woohoo, I'm here. And that's not really what I like, but that's okay. Then you have the Tasks washi as well as the perforated hipster or hippie heart. Do you know that symbol from hippies, like the, oh, it's a circle with 3 lines in the middle or whatever it was. I have no idea what the name of that is. But this heart design it reminds me of that symbol. And I just don't have the right word to describe what I'm trying to tell you. But hopefully you get my gist. So that is the heart design, and it is an inverted foil or an inverted washi. And it is not perforated, ladies and gentlemen. it's very, very bright. Very bright. And then you have the tasks, which I hope is perforated. It is. So there you go. Meal plan, and you just take it off. Now, just as an example, it's not that I don't meal plan, I do, but I don't put it in my planner. So this would be a washi that I wouldn't use. So what am I supposed to do with this one before I get to work, for example? Or, you know, I don't use home, I don't use next week, I don't use this week. So until I get another work, I'm gonna waste four or five 1.5 inch of washi. Some people are putting this on reusable sticker books, but again, I don't use them, so what is the point? But it's something that you have on your stash in case, I don't know, in case of what, guys? I have nothing for you. I'm tired, it's after work, I'm really tired, so I do apologize if this video is all over the place. Now, the add-on, I absolutely love all of the washes on the add-on. This is the Heart in Vine. God, my camera really doesn't want to focus today, or for a while now. I don't know what it is. Let me just zoom you in, guys. There we go. Okay, so this is the Heart in Vine design. You guys seen this a lot, but this is the blush baby kind of color with, it's a chocolatey color with the rose gold, and I absolutely love it. Then you have this scalloped one, and it's a shame that none of these are perforated. I would much rather them to be perforated, but you have the scalloped with the rose gold. Then you have the, sorry about that, you have the bow, which is not exactly a rose gold. Again, this is, her rose gold is usually more brassy. This is more dark. This is like an orangey vibe. I don't know, it's really hard to explain, but it is different. And you can see that it's different from, even from this foil here. This one is, I'd like to say it's more, there's a hue of chocolate in there. And finally, the bow and heart, which the design is really hard to capture on camera because it's tiny. And I think this is one of the most dainty washi that Irene does. Look at that. That is just so precious. It's really, really pretty. And these are all of the washis that come if you order the add-on as well. It's a lot of washi. Right, so next and last item of this reveal or unboxing is the mystery item, and this time she did a very good mystery item. It's a hit and miss again. This time it's a little card holder, so you have room here, and I love the inside of it. It's really nice. And you have 2 card slots on this, on the front of it. So this is really nice. I really like this. And you have the little loop, so you can just hook this up somewhere or hook a keychain on this and you are good to go. So yes, that is my unboxing of the Simply Gilded August box, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was very quick, I know it was very rambly and I do apologize for that, but I am tired. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification somewhere on your screen so you can be notified when I post a new haul. I post every week, twice a week. So do that and give it a thumbs up as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and love your lottles. Bye.